How you guys doing? This is Derek Dillon Woodworking. Today we're going to be looking at the Oneida Air System Dust Deputy 2.5. Now, I was a little confused what this was at first, and after figuring it out and purchasing one, I will say I highly recommend this. Let's just start there. So first of all, this brand, Oneida Air, everything is made and manufactured in the US. Another super cool thing about this is it's actually my hometown. They're about like 10-15 minutes from me. I just went and I picked this up, and they actually walked me around their facilities. Everything is manufactured, welded right there. It's honestly really cool. I love when stuff like that is made in USA. Now, there's a couple different versions of this. Now, this is the 2.5, which is a little bit bigger. They make a smaller Dust Deputy, which I'm referring to this plastic cone here. This is a 17-gallon drum. They make this whole system with a 10-gallon drum if you want, or there's an even small compact one with a small cone and like a 5-gallon bucket. But I would rather go with something that's metal. What was explained to me, and I saw firsthand because this is not our first Oneida Air system, this isn't even our second, this is our third, is if you plug this, it puts all the pressure on the bin. So if you were to plug that and this was plastic, it could try to crunch or break that 5-gallon bucket if it's plastic. Now, of course, that's if you were to plug that with your hand or something like that. Now, let's jump right to this. There is no cord or anything for this Dust Deputy. This operates 100% off a shop vac, which I have over here on the floor. It is just a rigid 12-gallon shop vac. That's $99. I picked it up the same day I picked this up, actually. Now, your shop vac gets hooked into the top. This is the fitting it came with. I used some of this flex tape to kind of tape it to the fitting so that there was no air leakage. It also helps it kind of stay tight. Now, what this does, if you've ever taken your shop vac and hooked it up to a tool or something, everything's obviously going to go right into your shop vac. What that does is that's going to plug your filter up, and you're just going to have to keep emptying your shop vac, cleaning your filter, all of that good stuff. What this does is it uses the suction and power from there, and it transfers the suction to this hose, and what happens is all the dust ends up going into this bin rather than your shop vac. Now, I know that kind of seems crazy. You might be like, what's the point of that? I could just empty my shop vac. Well, me personally, I don't want to empty my shop vac every 20 minutes, or depending on what you're doing. This system makes it so you just empty this metal drum down here. It also stays out of the filter. It will also prolong the life of your shop vac as well. I don't know, it might even give it some more suction than it would otherwise. But we're going to suck up this pile of sawdust, and we're going to take a look at it. It's super cool. You're going to see the dust kind of cycle like around this thing. And it's crazy that it's like, I don't know how it's all designed, but it's designed purposefully so that it works and it would go down here rather than the shop vac. We've been using this for about 4 days now. We have this hooked into our Makita miter station. And so far, there's not a speck of dust in the shop vac. It is all in this thing, which I just think is really cool. So let's take a look. I'm going to bring you guys closer so you can see this Dust Deputy while I'm sucking up this stuff. It looks like a little like tornado as it's all going down. So let's do that. So I'm going to turn the vac on really quick, and then we're going to have immediate suction on this end right here. And let's take a look at it. You could see as I plugged the end, you could kind of see the 17-gallon kind of crunch. And that's because all that pressure was going to the bin like I talked about a minute ago. And that is the Dust Deputy. I highly recommend picking one of these up, honestly. It's really cool. I just feel like it's really nice that it goes to the bin. You kind of saw how I demonstrated when I plugged the end, you could see it kind of crunch. That's where it was putting the pressure on here. Now, this right here is the 17-gallon with the Dust Deputy 2.5. This system right here goes for $215. Right now, they have a sale where it's the same Dust Deputy with the 10-gallon metal drum. It doesn't have wheels, I don't think. Actually, maybe it does have wheels. That one I believe is $169.99 or something like that, right around $170, and that's on sale for $170. I think originally it's like $200. But I highly recommend picking one of these up, especially if you're doing like garage stuff. You have a little woodworking setup in your garage. Now they do have larger, a little bit bigger systems where this is black and it's bigger. They have a yellow heavy duty one, which I was told I wouldn't really need that unless you're cutting like concrete, stuff like that, because that will quickly wear a hole in this. For sawdust, this is completely fine, or the black plastic one that's bigger. And that one has a 4 or 5 inch inlet and outlet. So what you can do is from Harbor Freight, you can get like a 1-2 horsepower motor that has a filter. You can hook it into the top, and then you can have a 4 or 5 inch line going to a table saw or whatever your setup looks like. That's how you get a bigger hose. I wanted to get that. This was just going to a miter saw, and I was told I shouldn't, because I shouldn't go down from like 4 or 5 inch down to technically I need 1.5 inches at the saw. They said it wouldn't be great to do that. I could, but I was like, this one will be fine. So this is what I got for now. Highly recommend taking a look at their products. Like I said, this was not our first system from them. We have one over here in this corner, one in that corner, and I'm going to do a video on those in the future, but we did just pick up the Supercell, and I can't say enough good things about the Supercell. That's a little bit more on the pricier side, not a ton, but more than this for sure. It's around $2,700-$2,800 before taxes. And then our big one in the corner, I don't even know what price that one is. That was purchased like, I don't know, 20, 30 years ago. So overall, I'd highly recommend taking a look at Oneida Air. Just see what they have to offer. They are definitely #1 when it comes to woodworking vac systems.